In this video, I will compare AutoDS and Dsers, two powerful dropshipping tools. Both AutoDS and Dsers are designed to help you import products and fulfill orders for your dropshipping store. However, they differ significantly in features and capabilities. AutoDS offers much more than just a marketplace. You will get access to hand-picked trending products, TikTok ad spy tools, print-on-demand options, automatic order fulfillment, product sourcing services. With product sourcing, you can request any product you want to sell, and AutoDS will contact their manufacturers to help you secure lower prices and faster shipping times. Since AutoDS controls much of its own supply chain, it even offers custom branding for your products, a huge advantage if you want to build a real brand. On the other hand, teasers mainly focus on dropshipping directly from AliExpress. It offers tools like supplier optimization, product bundling, automatic tracking number syncing. However, since it relies heavily on AliExpress, you'll often face higher product cost and longer shipping times, which can hurt your customer experience. So, in conclusion, while teasers can be a useful tool for beginners looking to work with AliExpress, I will highly recommend AutoDS for a more professional, scalable dropshipping business. So, that's it for the comparison today. If this comparison helps, like, share, and subscribe.